Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can change the interface language for your documents or for your drawings and images and pictures you create on Inkscape. So let us get started. So guys, open up Inkscape on your device, for example on your desktop computer or on your laptop. And for this method you will need to access the Edit tab here in the top left. From the very bottom of that list, select Preferences to edit the global Inkscape settings or preferences. And here in the settings, what you want to do is expand the interface tab on the left hand side. And here to the right, you will see the current interface language, which is for me set to English, but it may, for example, be the language for you are using for your operating system. So interface will most likely detect what language you're using on your operating system and adjust the interface language accordingly. So if you'd like to switch to another language, like English for instance, or any other from that list, pick the one. Let me go with French, for instance, and to save and to apply these changes, you will need to click into this button to restart to Inkscape, and after the restart, the interface will be displayed or will be being displayed in the given interface language. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.